So this week, for Introduction to Engineering, we will be actually disassembling our part. So you all should have picked something that you could take apart in your house, such as an ink pen or a wind-up toy. Maybe some, an old McDonald's toy that you could take apart, and you could figure out how this works, how this part works. So in the module, you will see, you click on this, you are going to fill out a chart similar to this. It says complete the product disassembly chart. And then sketch, you're going to sketch the part and document it. So we're going to go here. So it says step 1, create a pictorial sketches as necessary to communicate the internal operation of the part. If you have not already done so, carefully measure each part using appropriate measuring devices. So try to use like a ruler in your house. If you don't have a ruler, sometimes you can print those off online. If you cannot print one off online, then just use estimations. So you estimate how long a part is, etc. So we're going to come up here, and it says you need to complete the product disassembly chart. So we click on that, we pull it up, and here it is. So I have picked, and I'm going to actually put this link in here. It is a sample of a project done for Introduction to Engineering. It has an example of the visual analysis, the functional analysis, and the structural analysis, which is what you're doing this week, of a Ladybug car that a previous student has done. So if you look right here, one of the parts, let's say spring. So we're going to take apart everything, and on that structural analysis or the product disassembly chart, you're going to put, the part number. So like this is part number 1. And you're going to just type in, spring. So product 1, spring. The quantity of it. How many of those springs did you have? 1. Dimensions. So what were the dimensions of the part? So if you had, let's say, you can estimate, maybe that was 6 inches long. The function. You could say that it moves the gears so that the ladybug moves. So figure out what the function is. Material. That's metal. I don't want you guys to go like too in depth with it. It's a metal piece. We are not going to do density, and we are not going to do mass or weight unless you guys have a skill at home and you want to. Or so texture and finish. Yeah, let's not do that. Put anything, that it interacts with, any other parts. So obviously it's interacting with the gears here. and put any, general notes. Do you notice any wear, stress indicators, anything like that? And so you're just going to go through, and each one of the parts you're going to put on this product disassembly chart. And once you are finished, submit that and answer the conclusion questions and submit those as well. We will be going over this on Tuesday, so if you want to join me in one of the Zoom sessions, we will be going over this on Tuesday. Have a nice week.